now being tested is activated for Amber Alerts. When children are abducted and investigators wish to enlist your help recovering these children, the National Weather Service and your local public safety officials use the emergency alert system to warn you of events that pose threats to your life, health, and property. Your local broadcasters volunteer to donate their airtime to bring you these messages. This test message was originated by Oregon Emergency Management.
In terms of
Alright, so that was a required monthly test from KOPB 91.5 FM. Time is 12:18 a.m. now. See you guys.